everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Thinkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to learn how to draw a simple scenery art for beginners. Today we will be creating a beautiful and easy landscape that you can follow along with step by step. Start by lightly drawing a horizontal line across the middle of your paper. This will be the horizon separating the sky from the land or water below. Next, sketch some basic shapes for the elements of the scenery. For example, you can draw a few triangles or curved lines for mountain in the background or an oval shape for a lake. Keep it simple and don't worry about details just yet. Once you have the basic shape in place, start outlining the main features like tree, hills or clouds. Use smooth lines for natural elements like hills and textured lines for trees. Remember to keep your lines light so they can be adjusted later if needed. Now let's add some details to our drawing. For the mountain, add some shading on one side to create depth. For the trees, draw some branches and leaves using small curved lines to give them texture. You can also add waves or reflections in the water if you have included a lake or river. Finally, bring your scenery to life with colors. Use light blue for the sky, green for trees, and brown for the mountains. You can blend colors together for more realistic look or keep them solid for a more stylized, simple appearance. And there you have it. You have just created a simple scenery drawing. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Practice is key and every drawing will help you improve. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more art tutorial. Happy drawing!